Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are exploring an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create simple ad creatives in Photoshop. First of all, click new file and choose add size canvas. Also fill background color, then add headline text. Make font bold and add product image or shape. Now press Ctrl plus T to adjust the size of the text. Add CTA button shape and also add text inside button. Now double click button layers and add drop shadow. Align elements properly. Remove extra clutter. Zoom out to test. Your ad design is ready in Photoshop.